So here's the full tea on the KG into Vicha into JYP mess, and trust me, it is insane. So basically, KG, Kiara Grace, who was in Vicha, the global girl group under JYP, just snapped. In December 2024, she straight up sued JYP USA, and what she revealed was wild. Like 132 pages of pure hell she allegedly went through, and the stuff in there is actually scary. She said she was overworked like crazy. We are talking 12 plus hour days, like barely getting paid like $500 a week. And this girl ended up with $500,000 in debt because they made her pay for the housing training, etc. But wait, it gets even worse. She had injuries like an actual torn shoulder tendon and they still made her rehearse. She said she would ask for water and they would literally say no. Like, who the hell does that? She also claimed that they had hidden cameras in the dorms, like hidden cameras, just to keep tabs on what the girls were eating and doing. Apparently, they even monitor like what time they flush the toilet. Like this is some next level creepiness. And the mental stuff, it was even more darker. She says one of the girls tried to end her life and they covered it up. She also mentioned self-harm, eating disorders, and just zero support from JYP. Like imagine being 15 or 16 in a new country and living through that. I can't even imagine that. Now, JYP USA came out and said, nah, she's lying, exaggerating, and they have been trying to talk it out with her lawyers since May, but got ghosted. They're acting all shocked and concerned, but people are siding them hard. Oh, and this isn't just about her, it raised bigger questions too, like how they had 14-year-old kids debuting in this intense industry, plus contracts with rules on how they look, talk, what vibe they should give off. Even the skin tone stuff was allegedly in there. Like the whole thing feels controlled and dehumanizing. Right now, Vicha's been on a pause. They even pulled out of the shows like Lollapalooza and KG, she's standing her ground. That lawsuit is still active, and if she wins, this could seriously shake the K-pop system, especially for younger idols. So yeah, from debut dreams to legal nightmares, this story is still unfolding, and honestly, it's giving that K-pop needs to fix its shit energy. And if this doesn't wake the industry up, then maybe it deserves the chaos that's coming.